speaking of updates, I have no updates on my seedlings because apparently I'm not too sick and tired, because I was supposed to get like a protection cloth on my container garden, and I did not. So these rodents or raccoons or something keep digging in my containers. But for some odd reason, they don't touch the strawberries, and the strawberries been growing, and it's weird. Okay, they said they gonna grow through the winter. If nothing else, they gonna grow. So let me show y'all this update, which ain't no update of my containers. Girl, yeah, all you see is holes because the nocturnal animals want to come in. And I don't know if they eating my seeds or what, but I ain't had one seedling pop up in this mug. Not a one. And they done, just like that hole right there, they done did the same thing on all 4 quadrants. So, yeah, I guess they ate the seeds. I don't know what happened. So that's the little update on the containers. Look at this. Strawberries gonna keep growing. They changing color. They said it's fall, baby. It's autumn. They done confused the strawberry team. They said it's autumn, baby. It's autumn. They so pretty. They so pretty. And this is about to turn to the strawberry patch over here. So that's the only thing been growing, these damn strawberry leaves that's not producing no strawberries. So that's that on that, y'all. So that's that on that. So hopefully y'all can see me. So that's that on that. Is the seedlings still growing in my garden bed. They haven't grew much taller. Don't know what's up there. I'm gonna fertilize them here in a little bit while I got some good weather, and I'm gonna fertilize them. So yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do with those. And if any progress come along with any of the other seedlings, I will let you know. But there's kind of no update for real. We done had a couple more cold frosts, so these seedlings has been growing very, very slow. They have not been growing quickly at all. So I'm assuming they may not be well established before I actually plant the seedlings. Even though they haven't died or anything, they just only got a little taller. They're not that much taller than they was when I put them in the ground. I'm lying, they got bigger, because the red cabbage got bigger and the mustard greens got bigger, because they was real small, real babies when I put them in there. So they did get bigger. So yeah, but they not growing as rapid as it was in the summertime, and it's probably because that was the summertime. So it's not growing as rapid. So you know what I'm saying? First time growing the winter, so I gotta see, the growth rate and how fast stuff is growing. And I don't know, it's just like a slow start. So, and maybe I kind of grew them in the wrong month. It's still been pretty hot, so I don't know about that. I don't think so. Anyway, that's it for this video. This was the update on my container garden. Show y'all the bad and the ugly that has been happening, and apparently not too much on me, y'all. I'm not tired enough of these nocturnal animals, these rodents, these possums, these raccoons. I'm not tired of them, because yeah, I still ain't get the tools that I need to deter them. So yeah, I was supposed to get that weeks ago, and I did not get that cloth that was recommended to me by one of you guys, and I believe his name is Moses. Hey Moses, shout out to you, thank you for the tip. But I still ain't get my butt up to get it. So apparently I'm not tired of these animals that be messing with my garden sometimes. But I'm gonna get that order. I can order that online. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody you care about. Turn on that notification bell so you can know when I got it out the soil. Drop a video. You can stay in tune with my content. Oh yeah, make sure you follow me on I Got It Out the Soil. That's on Instagram. Facebook, TikTok, and on Snap. Doggy, look at him. You want to show the people how you begging? How you begging? It ain't even cold out here. Relax, but not too much. Kane, I done told you. You want to get it from the shoulders. Do you want to get? It's nothing but space and opportunity. I done told you that. What you trying to do with it? Oh, okay. I thought not. I thought so. He said, let's go in this house, girl. I ain't got time to argue with you. Anyway, make sure you get it out the soil no matter what. Pay attention to your thoughts, because your thoughts is the seeds, and if you constantly paying attention to your thoughts, that is the water. So now you're watering that seed, and it will produce a harvest tomorrow, and that is your manifestation. Even if you believe in it or not, you are manifesting with your thoughts. So make sure you're conscious of your thoughts. Make sure you thinking positive, speaking positive, and trying to stay in your higher self, so you can always be on high vibration, so you can manifest the manifestation you want. Okay, so that's it for this video. Peace. I'll see you in my next video. This is the beast that you cannot buy. Finding a way when you cannot see. Man with this system. Now hopefully I'm in the shot. That's what I was gonna tell y'all. I made a snap for my channel as well. And this with me, I got it out the soil, and we did bring that noise. You heard? Okay, just something about it. Let me always. We always do. Look at my dog, y'all. He's so stinky cute. I love my little stink. Look at him, y'all. He like, please hurry the hell up so we can go in the house. Girl, you know I gotta protect you while we out here filming. Shit, now hurry up. Shit, I'm trying to get me a little snack or something. Hurry this shit up now. Not too much, Kane. Not too much, okay? Let me get up out of here before y'all witness me and my dog getting into the tussle. Okay? I'm gonna have to get it from the shoulders on my dog. I don't want y'all to see that, okay? Make a harvest later, so that is your manifestation. So make sure all my hating, they hating. They know I got out of soil, got that juice. Can't always rushing somebody. Okay, you need to get him some beans. Oh, my bad, my fault. He said I am his business. Okay,